Alright guys, now I'll show you how to get your project folder on your www folder and do a simple hello world application using PHP. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to your local disk C, WAMP64, www, and inside that you're going to create your project. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call it PHP this. I'll just say PHP. Alright, and select that folder, and I'm using Sublime Text 3 guys. You can use any text editor you like. So in here, in your folder, you're gonna create a new file, and you're gonna name it as index.php. The file extension should be PHP, so that you can do PHP coding in here. So you can see in here the index.php has the PHP icon. Now I'm gonna do a HTML. So this is gonna be PHP hello world, and in body I'll just do I'll just say PHP tag. This is what we're gonna do. In order to use PHP, the server-side coding scriptlets, you're gonna use these PHP tags. Okay, open angle brackets and question mark and PHP, and close question mark and close angle brackets. That's how you're gonna define a PHP tag that you're saying the server. Then the time of pre-processing, you're gonna say to the server, alright, this is a PHP script which is embedded inside HTML. Okay, you can use this tag anywhere you want. Okay, I'll get on to that later, but before that I'll just print hello world onto my DOM. Okay, hello world, save that, and you go to your browser and you're gonna say localhost and PHP. You can define index.php. If you say that, it will work. Okay, either that you can just use, because we are using index.php as default, you can just say PHP and then hit enter. It will just by default search for that index.php, but it will only work for index.php because the WAMP server always looking for that index.php file, which is the initiation of the whole project. Okay, now you can see hello world in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you I'm going to cut this and I'll just paste that in. Okay, no, you can't do that. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'll just use simple JavaScript. Okay, I'll just do a simple JavaScript and alert, so that it runs on where I paste that in. So save that, and alright, templating syntax is not best way to go. I'll just use quotation marks. Save that. It should work. Alright, there you go, you have hello in here. So if I just cut this, and now I'm gonna paste that right after HTML. Okay, now watch closer. Even if I refresh now, it's gonna say hello. It doesn't matter what you do, where you put that, it's gonna execute nicely. Even in here you can do refresh that. See, you can see hello world, it just pops up. That's about it guys about PHP tags and how to place them. There is a lot more coming up. I will see you guys in another video on how to do them properly. Until then, have a pleasant run and may as well be with you.